Hi guys, Riders of Bridgwater here with a Harley-Davidson trade-in. So this is a 2014 Breakout. So that's some extras fitted. It's had the turbine wheels, front and rear, footrests, Fancy Hines pipes, detachable sissy-bar and rack, Daymaker headlight. Very good condition, can't pick fault with this one. The back wheel is spotless, it glints really nicely in the sun. It's done 2,800 miles. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, click on the link below and it will take you to our website with more pictures and information. Thanks a lot.